You got a big booty. Don't go to the bathroom with that.
I'm not saying it's just nasty.
You got a big old booty.
Baby, shut up.
If you go on that
Can you shut up? Stop it. What's up, Albury Gang? We are back with another lit video, you guys. As you can tell by the title, we will be trying the Little Debbie ice cream and the snack. Like, we want to compare the ice cream versus the snack cakes.
It really is? We finna compare it with the...
Yeah, we're comparing.
I thought it was...
We're comparing.
I thought it was for the kids. For
no. We're comparing.
You gonna make me all this sweet?
We about to compare, you guys. See which ones I would prefer. The snack cakes or the ice cream.
That's a lot of calories.
Can you hush?
Alright, gang. So, we thought we wasn't going to be able to find this, right? Because,
yeah.
You know,
we did do it for the kids did it. So now it's the parents edition.
Yes. I don't know if y'all can see me. Y'all can see us? Alright, who is that? Alright.
They can see you.
Right,
they can see you.
So, alright, so let's get into it then. Let's do this thing. Which one you want to try first? Which one you want to try second? You want to try third? Is we going to try the same one at the same time, or you want to try one and then not try another one?
No, we trying one at the same time.
Okay, so we'll move this out the way. You want to try the honey bun one first?
Yeah. Okay. Why you got 3 over there? You trying to make this a problem already?
And we got an even number, huh? You want to put it over there? That way for you?
No.
Don't block my hand like that. So we got the honey bun right here. You want to try the honey bun with this?
Yeah, open it up.
Really? Y'all, bro. Okay, somebody finna go to the bathroom after this. This don't open.
I'll open it. You see. What is wrong? What's wrong with you?
We gonna eat one.
Oh.
We gonna eat one.
Y'all know what? I actually like these warmed up for 8 seconds in the microwave. You can't beat that. You gonna try first? What's wrong with you? Stop trying to cheat.
My lips, my mouth is watering.
Mine's 2. 1. Toast. 2. 3.
Sweet, what is it? Honey bun? Sweetness?
Oh, you taste the
What is that? Cinnamon?
cinnamon in there? Mmm.
Well, I said I got something extra though.
I don't know. So good, you guys. Oh my god.
I had all right here. You gonna go out there for real? You gonna come back there?
It's so good.
There's something crunchy in there.
Alright.
I better try this.
You need to try this. But come on.
I need to try it. I had a buzz all my life.
Hold on. Hold on now. I think it tastes pretty much the same.
Wait a minute.
Wait, let me try one more. Let's try it together.
Oh, you should tell me. You should tell me you want something. You know you want something.
Take a bite. And then put that in your mouth. So good.
Hey, brothers.
That's the stuff. Alright, come on. Moving on.
Wait a minute. Now we're done.
Pick one from your side.
Who's that? Boom. You know what this tastes like?
Yeah.
Alright. Did somebody do a video like this when they try both? I don't know. Maybe not. If they did, we the first ones. If they did, we still the first ones because I know they did it. Get my spoon. You trying to take my spoon? Wait, come on, down.
Oh, why I gotta count?
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Not that good.
I don't.
It's not that good. 1 to 5. 1. Because the Nutty Butter.
That tastes like straight peanut butter.
It's not even that.
It does.
The Nutty Butter. It's like tastes stale, right? Tastes like old.
No, it don't.
They do. It tastes mushy and stale and old. So which way you rather have?
This.
Why you treat everybody like that? Why you treat everybody like that? Come on, man. How old you is? Look how you eat.
Why would you like that? This is so good. I prefer the Debbie snack over the ice cream.
Yeah, this one we can put to the side. I don't even want to taste this no more. Oh my God, this is a lot.
Hey, it's my turn.
Oh, what you got? Get the oatmeal pie.
Ring ding dong. Ring ding ding ding. Oh, wait, hold on. What that mean?
Man, come on. 1980.
No, they don't say no in 1980.
Yeah, it's 1980. They tell you that's the old box. That's back to the new box.
I love oatmeal pies. I do.
Who can? I didn't even do that to me. No,
Yeah.
get there when I'm all the way out there. Why you gonna get some when I'm all the way out there?
Y'all. What is wrong with you?
Look good.
This is so. Stop.
Okay.
Stop.
Yeah, it's good. Come on, man. Oh, that was a big piece of oatmeal pie right there.
You got the oatmeal pie chunks in there?
This dinner.
I just love oatmeal pies, just period. I love them.
When you eat oatmeal pie, you're supposed to do this. Now you eat that.
Don't tell me. Don't tell me.
Eat that piece right there. Ain't got no
The ice cream actually tastes better.
You need to try it like this. You want to try it like that?
It's good.
Boy, I know our stomach ain't gonna be no good. I got our bathroom, you get the kids' bathroom.
It's so good. Alright, I'm done with that. Moving on.
Moving on. This ain't gonna be no good for my stomach. What?
We're doing zebra cake.
Over here, there's Jamaria bees flicking back there. She doing what? She practicing slam out.
Oh, I got chunks in there.
I didn't even get. All right, you gonna do that? Okay. So you gonna eat before I get there? Okay.
Wait, I don't like the fudge in there.
Right. I'm gonna put it over here.
But no, you can't get none of this.
Alright, you probably right about that. Okay, here you go. I ain't even gonna trip, big dog. Come on.
I don't like this one.
Let me see, big
I
dog.
don't like the fudge in it.
I love the fudge.
My gosh. This is fantastic.
The fudge is a bit strong.
This is fantastic.
This is different though.
This is fantastic.
You know,
This is fantastic.
You know the commercial or something?
That is amazing.
Looks good. The fudge strong though.
No, it's not. That's not good. Next. Oh, why I got the nasty ones on my side?
I like fudge.
Wait, lick that off there. Thank you.
You're welcome. What we got there? We only got one left?
Swiss roll.
Oh, we got two left. You got Swiss roll on your side?
Yeah.
Oh, that's just straight chocolate. You been in the Swiss rolls. You been in the damn Swiss
No, I
rolls.
haven't.
Why open up like that?
But I'm really scared. I'm gonna eat this one first.
You gonna open up? Come on, women ain't supposed to open up snacks. The man's supposed to open up the snacks for the woman.
I ain't never heard of that.
Guys, comment down below. The other man's supposed to open up the snacks for the woman. We gotta make sure that it's right. And that's perfect. Them kids gonna come out here and disturb us in our video.
Jamaria, go take Jayvian to the bathroom. Cut it out.
Nope. That's straight chocolate. I don't chocolate.
I eat this. I stick to this.
You gotta taste it though.
I don't want to try that.
You gotta taste it, man.
No.
But you gotta taste it.
I don't want to try that.
Oh, you know what? We ain't even showing them what the top of it look like. My fault. I'm gonna have to go back and show y'all what the top of it look like. So that's what. I know y'all done saw other videos, but that's what this one look like. Swiss roll is straight chocolate. So let's backtrack.
And this kind of making my stomach hurt.
Let's backtrack.
I think I done ate too much.
Sorry guys, let's backtrack. So this one is.
No, we're not. We're not backtracking.
Yeah.
Man, I'm pretty sure they know what it look like.
Nah, they need to find out.
We did a video on this already.
There's somebody out there that don't know what this look like. That's the zebra cake. We need to backtrack a little bit. Okay, this is what came to the video. Y'all want to see the oatmeal pie? Yes. Okay, no problem. That's what the oatmeal pie look like. It's all white. Got little oatmeal chunks inside of it. You feel me? I might have to zoom in. Oh, damn. Okay, excuse me. Shit. Oh, shucks. Okay, all right. Now we got the Nutty Buddy. All right. So when you open up the Nutty Buddy, this is what the Nutty Buddy looks like. Now that's not chocolate right there. That's actually little small pieces of Nutty Buddy inside of there. All right, let's see. Hey, get back inside there. Don't come over here to destroy my video. Get your brothers and sisters, get back inside the room. Come on, take them inside the room, Jamaria. This starting out here. This is the honey bun. This is what the honey bun look like. Hey, excuse me, sir. This is what the honey bun looks like. Y'all know what, this is what happened. We got like 3,000 kids inside here. This is what the honey bun looks like. That's not but like honey bun chunks. Alright, so moving on. We got our last one. We're gonna do our last one. Alright, so this is our last one. This is the brownie. This is the brownie right here. And the kids came over here and they just opened up our box already. So so they opened up our brownies already. So it is what it is. This is the brownie.
You guys, let me put this out there. I have never tried the cosmetic brownie ever. You know why? Because I don't like the little sugary things in there.
Oh, that's delicious though. Oh.
Yeah, I'm not eating that either.
Oh.
But you're dripping it.
Why is chocolate like that? Get your spoon and let's get prepared.
No, they look like that one.
That don't mean it tastes like this one. You don't like chocolate?
No.
Spoon.
But I didn't try that one.
Spoon.
I didn't try the Swiss roll.
Let's go. Huh?
I didn't.
You want to try the Swiss roll?
No.
You should try the Swiss roll.
I don't want to. It's gonna hurt my stomach. I don't like chocolate.
No. Come on, I like it.
Oh my god.
Look at it. People looking. They want you to try it. No?
No.
Why not?
Oh my god, that's so nasty. Oh.
Huh. Try that.
Can I take this little purple thing off?
Nah, you should try with the purple thing on there.
You guys, this is so hard for me.
I would prefer, I think I would prefer the brownie. Not a lot of chocolate ice cream.
I'm sorry, Albury. I don't like it. This chocolate is doing a number on my stomach, and it's nasty.
Don't do it, man. You got a big booty. Don't go to the bathroom with that.
I'm not saying it's just nasty.
You got a big old booty.
Baby, shut up.
If you go on that
Shut up. Can you shut up? Stop it.
Okay. I'm just saying you got a big old booty.
Shut up.
Okay.
Stop it.
Okay. Alright, gang. With that being said, that is the end of this video. You guys, if you guys want to try it,
don't try the Swiss roll and the cosmetic brownie. They are nasty. And this one too, the Nutty Buddy. Disgusting.
Which one was your best one? Which one you would say was your favorite? That's Kaiden. Just interrupted our video again, and he left the door open. Come on, come on, you stay over there, okay? You stay over there. Let us be by in our video, okay?
My favorite was the oatmeal pie.
My favorite was the brownie. These right here, I don't really like these as well. These, well, this is the least favorite.
No, these two are.
Nah,
I'd rather eat peanut butter than chocolate.
I like chocolate. I'd rather eat chocolate than peanut butter. And I'd rather have the honey bun than the oatmeal. We so different. Why we different like that?
I like, it's oatmeal Oatmeal, then the honey bun.
Honey bun and oatmeal.
No.
Yep.
Oatmeal, then the honey bun.
Honey bun and oatmeal. That's what I
No.
said. Whatever. We ain't gonna argue.
Oatmeal, then the honey bun. I'm
I
telling
ain't
you
gonna
guys.
argue with you, child. I ain't gonna argue with you, child. Alright, gang. With that being said, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications, share this video. We ended this video because the kids are coming out of nowhere. Y'all know we got 6 kids and they just bombarding our video. So with that being said, we out.
Peace.